microphone didn't work. Ah, correct. That's all the times the same. What else? I played actually music for you guys since 2 minutes. Nothing you heard about. Oh, 3 minutes and 52. YouTube says 2 minutes. What the hell? No, it says 3 minutes. Actually, it's 4 minutes now. YouTube says go fuck yourself. The fuck? Now 4 minutes, and the YouTube is actually saying a desktop 3 minutes. Well, having a delay of 12 seconds or something is crack. So whatever. Welcome back to CarX Part² part 361. As a billionaire, I had to say, cheers up companions, Robbie, so Lisa, Luke, Scott, this next stream. And yo, what's going on? Got a mega night or the bed down below. Guten Morgen, mein Sonnenschein. Kimpai. Bionity Grillo oder kostet kleinen Segnerwerfer. Oh, how many peoples? Oh, no. Wrong suit. Still 8 people's downloaded it. And disliked it more. What else? I'm fine, I'm good. You see the fly on the screen actually likes it. I got a fly. I got a moth and I got a fly. But I don't have no spider anymore. Euro, techno. So the fly is all over the place. Yesterday the fly itself was in the oven. Between the glasses from the oven door. I was wondering myself what's going on. How the heck you just came in there? So I freed her. Oh well. No, she's flying around actually with me. The moth I have since more than 3 months or something. But no spider anymore. What else? What happened? I don't know about the big spider on my table, but what else? Hört sich schon mal, wenn es mal was braucht. Oh, let's try out the car again. And again. And hopefully a little bit more. Here we go. Let's start it up with these one. Start up the laziness for you guys. Folks. Peoples. Extraterrestrials. Cybernetics. AIs. Dead peoples? Oh yeah, okay, dead peoples, here we go. Oh my gosh, sorry for that one. An insect. Actually in front of the TV and actually listening, right? And then making these weirdo sounds, you know, these insects. And actually these ears or something, these, what's that? Yeah, that stinging stuff on the head, you know, I don't know. It's not actually ears, that's sonar system stings there. And then they're moving. Oh my god. Let's see, yesterday the car wasn't so loud. I just was hearing music. Let's check it out. Oh, it's fine, I heard. Got one of us. Enjoys it. Still on the screen, wondering why the car is moving here. Thinking actually it's real. Well, I think in a half hour the fly is actually tranquilized. Oh, my cigarette went off. The fly is always searching for the bright points on the TV. What the hell? Sorry, my cigarette went off. I don't know what happened. Maybe it's always the speaking by drifting with a cigarette in your mouth, you know. On the lips, better say. Not in the mouth. So wieder so gefressen, hat gesagt. Cigarillo oder was? A little tequila. Come on. A little wakey up. TV says 8 minutes 45. YouTube says 8 minutes. Oh, okay, 45 seconds now. D-leisure. What's it download? I think the fly is actually searching for the hottest spot on the TV, but it's going wrong because the ventilation system is running nearby as well. Ganbarimasu. Next gear. 766 km/h. Sometimes a 350, 289 in here. Okay. Sometimes you get a 59k, and it's depending all the times. Alright. You know, billionaire! Yay! Made a video actually at the beginning of the day at 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Thought, okay, let's deal done actually the two racings. Get me the money, cash in. But you know, it doesn't matter for that one. It's just like, I don't care. Unrealistic money. Yeah. We could drag around. Because I don't want to play too much with that vehicle here. So it's nice and cool, and to have something in the back. To get not bored actually with these vehicles. So I'm going to toilet and having a big business to deal done. So, for any interest, I'll be right back, mother. Oh, please no. Out of the side fly. Need to go to the toilet. I don't need you there. Need to get the microphone off because there's farting stuff and. Well, who cares, right? Oh, laundry! We have to deal with laundry tomorrow as well. What happened? Something exploded. Kühl dich beruhigt! Dein Arsch, Junge! Flies may be wandering around. Oh, where the hell is that person gone? Just was sitting here and just made videos, like weird things actually on TV screen. Not flying around and trying to search me. Thinking maybe I might just make me a little bit invisible or something. Oh hell. Obviously that beer makes me so much farting. Well, thick and done. Ah, die gestrige Pizza, die hat so gebrannt hier. Brennt immer noch an der Properzen. Ja, gesagt. Da tun wir noch mal ein bisschen Chili drauf. Also was hat er gemacht? Hat die Chili da drin und hat es aufgestreut. Oh Gott, mein Deutsch wird auch immer schlechter. I'm just going a little bit doodle. Oh. Hand sanitizer? Oh, from the shit I give. touching Hände. Hold on, grab me another beer as well. Gonna be a long session. I should just collapsing actually in the toilet again. In the future. Somebody asked where actually the key of the car from construction site is. I sorely, I just picked it up in my pants. Totally forgot to hang it back in the compound. Well, maybe that's the first contact my boss had then on the cell phone and asking where the key is. And saying I have it in my pocket. And if he's asking I'm going for a ride, I was saying, you know, I have no license to drive, but thanks to ask, I maybe will. Monday night maybe he gives me actually the paper to say he just was moving the 102, right? I say not really, I didn't move the car. No. Whatever. You just fired. Shut up. Tadaimasu, by the way. Microphone on. Kommt das alles raus, Alter? Of course. The ash bin, I just make them. Oh hell. Oh, burns. Haben wir geschnitten oder was? Irgendwas ist da. Ow. Oh well. Cut that Joe. Oh, I think no, the fly actually find the hottest place on TV, the plasma TV. You know, I'm sitting in front of the TV is kind of 50 to 70 centimeters. It's not actually direct pointed on me, it's a little sideward. So we're dealing down here a meter and yeah, 70 centimeters there. It's a big one. So I have no problems actually to have that screen here with the holding on stuff. It's a bit weird, yeah it is, yeah of course. It should be actually on the other side. Lololololo. Little tequila, please. Party boy. Gambarinas. Didn't choose actually a track, yo. And there's nothing else anyway for the car anyway anymore. No. I feel sick. Whoa, powerful one. And I have no track left for this vehicle. But the red line needs something. Looks Grinch. Well, I think it's uncontrollable to drive. I think so, not sure. Greens goes out actually to game it out, Josh. Let's just say. Shut up. Oh, the song is looping, right? Come up there. Silent one. God damn it, I hate that. Not so just a box monster. Let's see what the 2000 actually can do then. Did I make the car well with the suspension or unwell? Oh, it's actually controllable. track is even consuming the light. Hear the vehicle, man. So silent. I need to watch more than I hear. It's terrifying. Oh, crack, man. Couldn't count it back. Space. So sorry, sometimes I'm not talking anymore because I get a little bit dull by that ripping. And also I have my cigarette in my mouth and it's sometimes shorter, getting shorter. Tipsy of a little liquid edge over my lips. And unsmokable then. It's a bit bright in here, don't you feel like that? My eyes are blending and some sun went in a bit with clouds. Around of it, of course. It's a bit bright in here. Not the comfortable feeling like yesterday as I just did that. These kind of, you know, subtitle and on-air stuff. I hate these masks actually. I'm not even done with this crack. To just say that actually for 30 seconds ago somebody's watching me on the screen later, or 30 seconds or a minute, I see actually a person is watching. Hello! Nothing special to watch in here. Nothing special. Remember saying that on the Naked Gun, right? And in the background, actually the facility with the Chinese firecrackers are just exploding. Nothing to watch in here. Nothing special to watch in here. Yeah. Whatever. Definitely the car is too silent. What we got in here? Alright. Let's jam it out a bit. Blubber sucker car vehicle something. I don't know. I just makes it bloody because, yeah, let's begin with these cars. Just makes it bloody actually because I fall actually like these. They, you know, Asian cities are so small with the streets, and sometimes accident can happily happen, you know, I mean unhappily of course. Made it a little bit bloody. Still a fly on the plasma TV is searching for a place. He's inspecting it. Since actually more than 15 minutes now. Tschüss abgefahrener Schwabi, Salut, Salut, Goldbrust, die Schneck spielen. Oder auch nicht. Little tequila. Salute. Oh. Gambaremasu. And is the car small? Following my car on the screen. It's making it a little bit annoying right now. I rescued the fly yesterday from the oven. Between the glasses, if you just open up the oven. How the hell you just came in there, I'd say? Well, I have a little new body. Little fly. Like the moth as well. I have a little moth actually flying all the time around in the night. Before it was actually on the toilet. I was saying I want to make actually a little peanut butter, you know, and it stinks. Get away. But actually that moth was flying very deep on the floor. Already know. It will stink. For 3 months I have that moth. I don't know. Let it just alone. But my 2 spiders are missing, the red spider and the black spider. I'm not sure where they are. Maybe already dead. Holy crap. Just eating so much that they're so fat they don't can crawl out of his holes. I don't know. Well, it was not so bad, that vehicle. I see actually 25% lesser than normally with these masks on, right? And the sound of the car, I don't can hear it because the music is so loud. Maybe I should shovel it back a bit in volume. Down below in the description you find something for Spotify. The upgraded or updated list actually in definition CarX D.R.O 2024. Already got 4 likes, 432 songs. Yeah, kind of these 21 hours and 40 minutes. It's mostly funk music, industrial music. It's kind of these, I don't know, dubstep, techno, kind of actually racing music or something. It fits very good in. Next vehicle. Sterling. Let's see if it just has something still left. A lot. A lot. Not Modello again. Oh, look at that. Good enough. Astron already done and finished. I call it Astron because it's a track like you can't actually make points in here. Like in Winter Ring as well. The Red Ring, Winter Red Ring as well. So there's some trick, you know, to deal done with, oh my gosh, at 12,000. What happened here? And Atron is the same. It's kind of, this track is producing points. But there's no trick. You have to handle the car on the road. Only to make points. You know, I just get dull with that music. Or maybe I have a straw hat already on. But I don't know. Because the straw grows out of the brain and you're making actually the hair goes away and the straw is creating itself actually a hat against the sun and stuff like that. Whatever. Deep shit. Forget about it. I can't even hear myself. What the hell is wrong in here? Hold on. Maybe that's why. Aha. There was these outside noise destruction stuff. Just what's going on with my earplugs. That's why on the headset I can hear a car. I say, that guy makes dull. Like I was reading actually insect, extraterrestrial, and all the insect, blah, and then I was saying these insects may be watching and they're making these kind of weird noise, you know, in front of the TV. Sorry. Mutant insects, right? The neighbor planet. I give a fuck, Jupiter or something. Get these done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Must be my 8th beer today. I'm already hallucinating. Ah, just kidding. Just seriously, this is so dull and childish. A little roses are there as well. Mmm. They're cleaning his buttholes. Oh, come on. Oh, gross. That pigeons. Here's the noise. Ja, wo willst du denn hin, junger Mann? Because the TV is just right now smaller, so my eyes don't like that. It's really weird to handle that right now. 25% of space I'm missing here. Like that shifting of an often morning. Where are we going? Alright, it's a little difficult. Having his little fix. Or taking. Und ab in die Botanik. Ja, das kannst du dir doch nicht erlauben, oder? Set the timer! 1000. Okay. And up to the green. Left the stop. Just kidding. Music higher or the car engine higher? What happened here anyway? Music must be get higher. Alright. There's no difficult to see that. Mille per hour. Next, a vehicle. Wrong. Not sure what it is. Can be an Infineon as well, right? Side mark. Not sure. Looks great. I like it. Little sports car for the young peoples with 18 years old. Did you buy it all by 20k or maybe 35k? Boxing in the 65k with the aerodynamic kit on it. Oh, there's Astron. I like to say that. Atron. Sorry, I'm too loud, I know. Tschüss, auf Campana, Schwabi, Salut, Salut, Prost, die Schneck spielen. Naja, vielleicht doch nicht. Ich überleg's mir nochmal. Einen Scheißquatsch, der. Wird mein Vater sich das kurz anschauen. Ja, den ich heute auch gesehen habe. Wie er gerade versucht hat, 180 Grad sein Kreuz zu drehen. Was einzuhängen. Campana's. So now the limit is reached. Need to get the disturbed noise actually system on again with the earplugs because that car is very noisy. Pom pom pom. Hey, here we go. I can't hear myself anymore. I like that. Can't change the music, goddammit. Just wanna listen to the Spotify nearby. Here we go. There's the link actually I'm listening for. Have fun. Oh shit. Ah, crack. I totally forgot that. Seeing that in here as well. Oh, just get flagged. I'm not sure. By YouTube. Ganbarimasu. So irritating, goddammit. It's just a little bit moving here and there. All of a sudden drifting and seeing actually the car drifting and the angle. I know what I have to be done with the control system, but the fly is always in the screen where the car is going around. Then I'm watching the fly, not the car anymore, and it makes me irritated. This is some bullcrack. Ah. Shitting all the times on my TV, I think. Yeah. It's a big screen, but it makes irritating. You're following the eyes is actually following then the fly, not the car anymore on the screen. Excuse me. Come in outside. What the heck? I hate that beer. Makes too much gulpy. Zu viel Gerstenmalz drin. A muscle car. Yeah. Muscle car, eh? Hey. There's some pictures from you, hey, and your naked woman as well in the bathroom. Hey. Just kidding. Really? Let's go. I hate these long tracks, left, right actions. You will see what happened here. Perfect control, you need actually in the middle part. Well, I'm cool, I'm good. I'm fine. Did you say mumble? Cell phone, you still there? Ach, hier schon wieder. That chicas. Can't just get you out of my head. Yeah, If you just tell me once, you seriously hope the best. You don't actually think about me. I think a weak delirium or something that you just dealing done with. So hard. Actually not. No, I'm talking to myself. Understood. I am a machine. Reflecting my I cell error blue screen burning through. Sparks goes everywhere. And actually the Tesla company or factory actually blows up in Heidelberg, or what was it calling actually there in Berlin? The mass super factory actually from Tesla. Only because actually Robert thinks of it right now or something, actually starting up to dealing done with this. Sparks goes all over the place in the old cans. Company nuts. Hit the wall with them. Oh, holy crap. Oh, that car don't like that track. The car's too brutal. The problem on that vehicle is just it wants to find speed, but then it wants gone to strain. So I don't can drift that car. You have to use sometimes the handbrake. This car is too overreacting, too much overheating. This is not okay. Even it has street tires on. All my vehicles actually kind of 85%. All these 114 cars have street tires on because I don't like the drift tires for 110% or the special pro drift tires on 120%. close to slicks anyway by Formula 1. So I don't can deal with this, you know, so that's why I'm using street tires. But the car has too much power and too much... It wants to go straight. That's a problem. That's why I hate this track at Bathurst Panorama so hard in Australia. They're using actually drift cars. It makes fun. Sometimes I'm dealing done with 60k or something in one go through. I just hit it actually the green on the left, on the right side. It was left? Left side. So I fucked it up. That makes it not interesting anymore. So that's why I came so many times straight. Come on, P! Yeah, I'm standing in front of the toilet. I'm sorry for that one. Don't want it yourself. The pleasure actually of, yeah, sprinkling sound right now. Vicente. Yes, so my tropical adventure. Yeah. That smells good. I like it. But you know what I like more? Something we need to do done action here. Ja, die Tüte geht aber leicht auf. Muss ich mal wieder was machen. The Tesori di Oriente Spray Romantico. Middle of my face. Stupid. Oh, what the hell is that? Huh? Hold on. Where this comes from? Huh. Weird. My cigarette just got gave something pricely. Showing me up. Some bacteria actually on the cigarette leaf. Just a small stuff. Half centimeter cycle. Now what's going on, Fly? Oh, you like the smell, right? Oh yeah. It's a good one. Nice room spray. Just for $3. Can flies anyway smell? I'm not sure about that one. Next vehicle. Oh no way, Bimmy. Bimmy and Jimmy, right? Just kidding. What did I just do? Oh crack, I just want to try to actually get... No, we fucked it up. Hold on. Oh crack, we fucked it totally up. Garage! I just was trying to change actually daylight. Nighttime to daylight. Oh, he was not far away. Was not far away. Here we go. So you have to go out of here, and I'm pressing the L2 button, and there we go. Kleine Unterhosen, come on. Oh, jetzt lass mich schon spüren, dass du noch was. The whole grandpa. The Turtle Island ride, something like that. Oh, really? Okay. Oh, come on. What? Are you kidding me? Alright, we have a deal. This car actually aiming for 2 tracks we have to deal done with. I thought I was racing with that vehicle actually very much time. Maybe on DefRekka account. I just did. Holding on. She's up, Campina, Froggy, Salute, called PsN Acc DefRekka, by the way. Und wenn jetzt noch lebt, dann habe ich noch Luft gehabt, weil jetzt gehe ich langsam zum Dull-Dull-Modus über. Merd. A fly is waiting as well in the middle of the screen. What is wrong with you? You I hope you're not shitting completely the plasma TV through. Oh, I need to drink my beer, I forgot. That beer from Luxembourg. Waldenberger. For top, that's just making 3 stars up there and down below. Actually making a bigger star again. Maybe they just croned or something. But there's another 2 extra stars on the side. So what, 6 stars? Premium Waldenberger pills in a beer? I'm making commercial here? I don't think so. I like to drink CC. And I'm eating, not anymore, more bound E. You know what I'm trying to say? The Kinderriegel? Oida. You know, actually I don't make commercial in here. You don't see my face, you know. It's got nothing going on in here. Oh, sorry, fly. Cracking up in here. Stupid window. Just kidding. Alright. Now let's drink this beer off. Cheers up. Where's the fly? Not on my beer, right? Fly? Where are you? You need a name, goddammit. Where's the fly? Oh, please not in the beer. I don't want to drink it. Where's the fly? I know it's not important. Seriously, where's the fly now? Are you in the beer right now? Okay, I'm drinking it slowly. There's the fly. Ah, on the screen, actually, the red hat on the tequila. Hold on, I'm choking right now. Yeah, I hit it. Still the fly's there. On the screen. On the red cap, actually, from the tequila hat. But I moved it on the skeleton. Gabamag. There we go, goddammit, I thought actually you in the beer can. Tequila. And actually I just tried a bulb. I don't care anymore. Oh gosh. Burns. Yeah, he's from the west side, yeah. What did he just say? He's jumping from the bridge? Greg, what? Is that normal in LA? That was a beer tequila bulb. Oh my god, that burns in my throat. Gambarnas. Yeah, please. Background of the game right now. Stop bidding! We sent the better team. The Bravo team, I'm sorry. car, but I don't care. 600, oh shit, 6 XP. I have to say 666 in 2 minutes. I hate this background music. It's just a stupid singing. On a drift game, only in instrumental music, please. I said before, actually, industrial music, right? On that Damnation CarX D.R.O playlist on Spotify. I'm sorry, I mean, not industrial music, instrumental music, I mean. Sorry for that one. Sometimes the music is so high pitched, it's so high, actually on the volume. Sorry for that one. Well, another beer opened up, number 9. Or is it 10? I can't remember. Dildo. Oh, crack. The moment. You really just fucked it up. Tissue. Handkerchief, please. Blech. Let's get better and better in here. Conrad, all money, hold, football. And Mallorca, actually, something just fall in. And my first reaction was, because there was a dance studio up there and down below a restaurant. 4 people are dead, 60 people are just injured. And I must say, my first stuff, as I hear that in the morning time on the radio today, well, some American people's actually just making actually some dance trainee, right? That trained actually the dancing. And so as I know the Americans, 55% are really, you know, a little bit having a little overweight like myself. And there was more than 100 people actually go to Mallorca and just making a little dance moves here and there. The restaurant down below, well, it crashed a little bit. Yeah. 2-floor household, you know, just crashed together and smacked the peoples in the restaurant down below. God damn it. Sorry, I had nothing about Americans or something else, but it's just like my first thinking, you know, I hate that so much. 2 laps with that vehicle I just told, and there's so many space open up in here. Not anymore for the people sitting in Mallorca at the restaurant, I mean the dance studio up that 2-floor house. Milli Vanilli, I don't want to deal done with this. Oh, no. Let's cheat a bit! Yay! No, then I'm losing the one watcher I have right now. Let's crack this one down. So somebody's watching, no like, something like that? Okay, I get a tune down. Let's see what's happened next. For the next watcher. Let's see how many people is actually watching the live stream and CarX Drift Racing online all over the world on the PlayStation 4. There are... Takes a little while. 6 peoples. 6 peoples are trending right now. And I am... Oh gosh, I'm far away. Wow, 16 peoples for Pedina Gitana. Okay. Gitana with G. Gitana with G. I am number... What's that? 5 then? Oh, crack, man. I'm so low below. Low. Man, my lips. I give up talking now. Cheers up, campagne, så hvis I lyser ud, skal prøve dit next spim. Skål. Something stupid comes up. I'm not sure. Maybe that person is just watching and you're having a live stream as well. I'm not pointing for something special here. Oh, there was a question mark, man. Face red heart shape. I don't like that select broadcast settings stuff. There's somebody watching sometimes nearby. Kind of these diva from England. Oh sure. Vamos. Of course I hit it. Of course I do. That's the shit. Fucking hell. Skulle vilja shoppa på läge. Det är skumt att vara. I fucked it up. I hate that. Because the 25% actually lesser screen I have right now. And I told myself, you're hitting something. I couldn't brake. Then I braked, and then the car was going longer actually on the slide. And that was the mistake. God damn it. Not irritated about the fly anymore. Nope. It's okay. Let her free. But first up, we're refilling some water into some bottle glass. Bottle. Glooky glooky. Until you've filled. And here we go. Tomorrow in the morning I'm going actually to the supermarket and just trying actually to get my gas bottles, to refill my bottles with gas, with CO. I mean O2. No, CO, right? CO2, right? Sorry, my English. It's like actually you say milliardary, it calls billionary. God damn it, this is just America and German stuff. In Germany we say millionary. Right? Hold on. Milliardary, but they say billionary. Makes me confused. It's like the kilometers per hour and miles per hour. Stock. You just got 60 miles per hour, you have 100 kilometers per hour. Something this crack. Sometimes I get confused about that one. What the stocks are going on in here and there. I know that €1 is actually 140 yen right now, I think. Or is it already down below 130 yen? To say somebody is saying 30,000 yen he was paying off, it's just actually 100 euro. Excuse me, sorry, that's the beer. Just get soda burn for that crack. Checking out the situation, actually sitting down on the toilet right now. Nothing happens. cleaned up, cleaned up, cleaned up in here. Even the mirror is cleaned up. Ah, but when I just did that, I barely can remember in the morning time. Blah, blah, blah. If you're single, staying home, drinking beer, you're going crazy nuts. Thanks actually for the CarX stream, for the game. Normally I'm playing Need for Speed, but I hate Need for Speed right now in the moment. It makes no fun anymore. The story was always good. But the racing and making trophies with these games... Sometimes Need for Speed I just tried actually a lot of times. Kind of 7 to 10 times platinizing actually a game. On my, you know, different accounts. And especially there was another guy from San Salvador. 3 guys from Japan. Did themselves actually well on the WRC as well, World Rally Championship. Started up with World Championship 3, 4, 5. Just gave up actually on 6 then. 7 I just did, and 8, but 9 I gave up. Was trying a little bit, it was boring, always the same. I bought me actually a WC10 as well, but I never played it before. On DjVolgin account, what we're dealing done in here right now. But somebody's actually... Oh! Grass cutting down below. Wat de kans aan da wieder. Oh, neuen Rasenmäher. Ah, zwickt schon wieder im Schritt. Wenn wir da das Antikose waren. Changing car, let's keep on moving. Ooh, the RX-7, I already got everything. Was one of the first car on DjVolgin account. Exactly at 23k. I loved it. That's why I'm not gonna top it. Huh? Let's see. One run out, she want a deal done. 60k only. Boy, okay. The RX-7 is actually only for short cornering and small tracks, not wide open tracks. Like in here in Milli Vanilli, Milton Drive, and Bathurst Panorama in Australia. But that's impressive. Let's see, let's keep on moving. If we can beat up actually the 21k. Let's get it on. War ich jetzt eigentlich pinkeln? Ich habe keine Ahnung mehr. Krieg das weg hier. There we go. Na 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 na. Hey, funk. Cheers up. Already by 1 hour and 7 minutes live stream. The person is actually right now by 45 minutes watching me. No comment. Let's see what's going on. Gambarimasu. Look at that. Or maybe not. God damn it. Gonna beat it. 23k. There we go, down, sweetheart. What's going on with you? Oh, 444 XP, that's nice. Correct. Where's it going? Miles up your ass. That's the maximum. Actually, you have to start up the minimum of 30 miles per hour. Sign for 30 miles per hour minimum. If you don't below, actually you go to jail. Something like that, crack. Going through the wall with that drone. Oh, crack. Oh, crack. One twice. We saw him up. We're shooting down camera. Let's say drone. Cracked up. Oh man, what? How did it happen? That was weird. So I need to grab me some beer or something to let that thing fall out. Here we go again. Why? What's going on with the R7? Be right back. Hold on. What the? Oh, look at those. Get it bored in the table. Oh, what did it also call a Mustang Chiqui? 250? What's racing by? Nice one. But that's super great. What the? Black and white, done. Let's go to pee again. Filling up the toilet. Oh, actually, not happening here. The side of a construction worker and actually in the home being like a drifter, so it's crack. Being done with a game like CarX D.R.O. Then the CarX technology, whatever. Oh, yeah. He's done with number 12 actually in here, right? I think so, yeah. The line. Check this one out. I don't care about that one. I'm good, I'm fine. I can still walk, you know. I have a feeling something will be coming up with the B versus robot here right now. The vehicle. Shut your mouth, you. I hate these singing Persian here. These background music in the game. Makes me angry. Yeah. Let's take the beer off. Just up the panel shot. It's a little bit called next film. Oh. No, Verser. It's me, Rob. Ejay DefRekka on 8022. If you see the star here right now smiling, cringing. I am a star! Yeah. Shut up. But I'm just creating this. Let's see. Did I rob it away? Not sure. Let's see. Let's get thicker. It's snotty in here. I didn't presentating this vehicle? Oh, I can't believe that. Alright, hold on. Oh, but that was a mistake, I think. Because there's too many stuff on there. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, wow! Over a year ago, I just made that vehicle. Over a year ago. So we already by 3 years playing this game. Wow. Alright, you making questions here? Let's say detonation. And it is not going online. Why? What's wrong on the vehicle? Error, couldn't upload it. Why? There's something wrong with the vehicle. Maybe it's because the Ejay D.R.O, I'm not sure. Oh, come on, guys. They can't send it online. God damn it. I hate that. Tried it before. I think this tuning is still online then. When there was a tuning, actually I uploaded it. Nope. And uploaded. What the hell? But I don't can upload the RAW. Oh, come on, guys. That's fucked up. I like the back spoiler, it's very big. Some extra actually fixations are happened here in the trunk to not get it ripped it away. Can be actually a really competition car. No, but the fat electronic tires in the front anymore. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. 24 to go. Let's move on. Come to the pillow, you chiller. A little ice cold. You have something in your phone. Just up. Need to drink the beer off. Where's my fly friend? Can't find it. What the hell? Seriously, I can't find it. Need to mark the fly actually yellow. Yeah. Going to the compound and actually give me some spray. Don't likes it. But I can see it actually fly away as well. Ash as well. What's it fix? So some tinkles in my nose from the construction side. How more actually I'm going into this with the handkerchief. How worse it gets. That was his sip of tequila? That's right, you bastard. So Watcher. So Watcher. What's going on with you? Why are you watching? How are you holding up? You just seriously get bored of something on the bus line or sitting at home, relaxing by illegal ingredients? Something. No, seriously, I'm not sure who's watching here right now. Or is it maybe a stalker from the date sites I'm just dealing them? Well, you then, well, welcomed. Oh, please, maybe a girl then, right? I don't care anymore. I'm 37 years old and I don't care anymore about having a girlfriend, There's the fly! What's up? Why are you so scared? I think by 26 years I was, for 11 years ago, I stopped by actually to having interest actually by a relationship. But that's actually all. Came on the idea to have more interest in the work. And for 11 years actually I started up the new construction work job, on that company here. Huh. Very interesting. This company makes me impotent. No. Not impotent, but I had to say actually, to keep calm all the times done actually strictly straight up by the work. Oh well. Don't go down below the table. Maybe that the fat black spider is there. Talking to the fly. Not that he get Webster tonight. Wow, Sturzflug vom Vogel. Leck mich am Arsch, den Wurm hat er gesehen. I think there was more than actually 90 miles per hour. Down below in the garden. Saw that worm. That bird. Now you're going crazy. She's abgefahren, Strawberry Seduce, Seduce Gold, Prostitution, next Beam Skull. Maybe I told that. Well, I think by the 13 beer right now I'm opened up, maybe get a little bit doozy. No. I just have a little stomach problems because I was tasting my pizza. If it's done or not, and it is done. Only salad is missing then. Iceberg salad. A pizza with vegetables. Oh. The Kuma Simpsons all the time. Donuts. Donuts. Komarimasu. Oh crap, where are you going? What the fuck? Oh, it's foggy outside. I like that. Are you going too far, sir? Of course, drift around like that. Cigarette went off. I hate that. It's kind of the construction work. You're working for something and somebody explains the same stuff in the same time when by kind of 40% already done with the work. How I have to get done that work the next minute. And he's explaining me this again when I have a plan A, B, and sometimes a plan C for that. If it goes wrong, I have a plan B already there. And a C maybe coming up nearby. And then somebody's talking to me and explaining how I have to deal done with this work. What the mother? I just really getting hardcore strange up, fucked up hard, fast. Especially if you're a crane driver and just dealing done a work you have not to deal done with. But you have time a bit. Oh, you have the crane driver control unit remote control actually on your body. Oh, you're going crazy with this. Make your work ideally done with my work, but actually have an extra plus for you guys actually preventing actually for you and don't handle me like dull or stupid. That's a reason why I have an IQ over 136, goddammit. Sorry, drink the lip beer. Let's drive a vehicle. Do not drive if you're drinking, or what was that again? Don't drink and don't drive, or something the shit. I don't care. This is not driving, this is actually drifting. Tell that was actually the police officer. Oh, I'm drifting here around. So I can drink. You're telling, don't drink and drive. Yeah. You're drifting over the government actually tarmac roads? You're completely up to going to jail right now tonight. Oh crap, seriously? Let's go back and hear that. Easy now, easy. Okay, fuck it up. Let's use the 24K right now. And guess what? What happened? I'm talking too much. My cigarette got wet. Okay, I have enough right now. A sip of tequila and just get the 24K done. Sir officer? I'm just drifting. How about a mouse? Oh my god, can you restart? Nope. Let's go, Mira! Let's speed up the clip. Oh my god, come on. 24K. I think I don't can handle that anymore. Come on. Wrench it up. No? Oh, come on. I can't do the 24K right now anymore. Oh, that's unfair. Yeah, the next checkpoint. Wonderful. The hello? What the fuck is that? The other checkpoint? Why are you sending me 2 checkpoints back? Oh, that's unfair. You bastard. Yeah, the fly actually says just touch my skin. That's unfair. Yeah, I quit. Come on, this is unfair. That's bullshit. I give up. I go to the toilet, pee off. I'm pissed. What the hell was that? 2 checkpoints? Oh, this is not real, man. I thought 1 checkpoint and then coming up the points again. Just sent me so much back. Judge. Okay, whatever. You know what? I give up talking right now. I'm now seriously done. Normal drifter actually plays around with his real car, his real action, 4 times actually a day adrift on the same track. And I'm dealing done with kind of more than 7 or 8 cars right now on different places. It's just 1.5 hours. Well, that makes you kind of can't calculate. 6,000% actually more worse and morally dumb. I'm dead inside. Ich glaube noch 10 Jahre lösche ich aus. In der Tonne. Wie ist Michelin-Männchen? Properly. No. So I thought about it as you fly, right? It's just eating your food, flying around in your rooms. So it can't infect you. Especially it can't infect you. Because it flies around on your place, sucking up the dust. Like the bees are hobbling around with the flowers as well. But the fly, if it's just actually going around on the cat hair when the cat comes home, the cat comes from long away, actually, kind of these 10 kilometers away fields or something, coming home, and the fly is setting down on the hair of the cat, makes it a little bit aggressive. And then you have an infecting point. Hey, I'm a construction worker, come on. But I know what's going on here, right? So nobody's watching anyway. Plus extra, I mean. But a person is watching right now. So I get this mask off here right now. Because I'm really actually a little bit inside pissed off. Was a nice try. Sorry for that one. Big screen! Yay! Oh, finally I feel home. Especially the camera here. Comrade. Hey Dole, what's up? Het is een campagne, zo is het. Zo doet ik ook die next stream. Ah. 16 milliseconds. It's time to go online, goddammit. Man. It's not the smoking, it's just this fucking tree sperm. What we got? Pushed up. Pushed on. Pump up the music. Got a special one for you. You loved it. Prepare yourself. That's not my special song, sir. Yeah, here we go. Are you loading? Hmm? Oh, here we go. That's sweet. Tequila. Alright.頑張ります. Und schon wieder. What the fuck is wrong with this stupid corner? I quit. I quit. I'm hating. I'm hating. I try to internal with this vehicle. I see different. Hardcore. I give up. I give up. I don't want to talk about this one anymore. That makes me sick. One other thing is happening here and trying again. I quit the live stream. Completely. Fuck this vehicle. Fuck this shit. I'm really pissed off right now. Oh no. Go online. Go online. I just really am pissed off right now. Ugh. Whatever. I just give a fuck. Go online. Or just quit the live stream. I'm just really pissed off right now. Fuck it. There's sometimes days I can't drift. There's sometimes days I can drift. I try something, deal and done with, but I'm not fitting in. I'm sorry. I'm really pissed right now.
I am head. URL.
Kind of saying I'm in a mysterium by myself. What's going on? And it's just I take care. But who makes the decisions on me? That's not myself. Sometimes, mostly 65% my brain is just done to make it up, make this action done. As actually people that are already dead or something telling me something, you have to deal done with it, and woke up, stand up, deal done with, create it. The rest of the 45%, I just want to work. Lie number 2 today, 5% actually are lazy because you're Pisces. Fucking DNA genes. DNS. Well, whatever, I don't care about that anymore. You're running by yourself, it's weekend. Hello. Can't find words right now saying the weekend is great. I'm done already. And nobody's watching. Yay! People's gone. Fuck it. Even a $2. Just crack up, mate. Earn it. Celebrating finally a person is gone. And let's share that stuff. City of dreams, city of Kara. No, fuck yourself, dude.